Hello everyone, this is Linu. Welcome to Learn. I hope you all are doing very well. In today's video, we are going to discuss mainly physical chemistry topics, the topics from chemical kinetics, electrochemistry, and solutions. Okay, yes. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. So you will get some amazing tips and tricks. Okay, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you will never miss an update from us. Okay, so let's get started.
Yes. So when a certain conductivity cell was filled with 0.05 molar KCl solution, it has a resistance of 100 ohm at 25 degrees Celsius. When the same cell was filled with 0.02 molar AgNO3 solution, the resistance was 90 ohm. Calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of AgNO3 solution. Right. So this is the question. So the relation with conductivity, molar conductivity. So when you go through the question, you will understand that this is a question from which topic? Electrochemistry, right? Yes, electrochemistry topic. Okay. Then you can see that you have to find the conductivity as well as molar conductivity of AgNO3 solution. Okay. So moving to the question, you'll understand that conductivity cell and it is having this much KCl solution, molar, its concentration is given and its resistance is also given. Okay. Yes. Now its conductivity of this molar solution of KCl is also given. Okay. Now what is the equation? So one more point you have to see in this question is that same cell. Okay, same cell. So that means cell constant is same for both, right? Okay. So how will you find cell constant? Cell constant is equal to, we know the equation, that is G star is equal to conductivity times resistance. Okay, conductivity times resistance is the cell constant G star. Okay, so conductivity is denoted by the letter K and resistance is R, that is equal to G star. Right. All right. Then all the things are given here. Conductivity of KCl. KCl, in the case of KCl we are doing. Okay. Conductivity is given in the question as 1.35 times 10 to the power minus 2 and resistance is given 100 ohm. So by calculating you will be getting this cancel, you will be getting 1.35 centimeter inverse. That is the cell constant G star value. Okay. So same cell constant, right? So in the case of AgNO3 solution, first of all you have to find the conductivity. You know the cell constant and resistance, right? Yes. So how will you find conductivity? So same equation you have to apply here. Conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. Cell constant is 1.35 and it is divided by 90. You will be getting the value as 0.015. And what is the unit of conductivity is equal to S centimeter inverse. So you get that. Then what you have to do? So conductivity you have to find the molar conductivity delta lambda m. Okay, molar conductivity. Molar conductivity. What is the equation to find the molar conductivity is equal to conductivity, that is K times 1000 by C. C is the concentration. Okay. So K is given. K we already get as 0.015 times 1000 and its concentration is given at 0.02. Okay. 0.02 already given. So what will be the answer? By calculating you will be getting the answer will be 750 yes centimeter square and more. Okay, this unit is very important, you have to write that, otherwise your half mark will be deducted. Okay, please note that point. Okay, moving to the second question. The following initial data were obtained for the reaction. Okay, equation is given and data, some experiment have been done 1, 2, 3 and you are asked some questions related to that. So when you see this equation, you can find the rate of this equation. Rate is equal to, okay, rate constant K times, yes, concentration of NO raised to some power. We can write like A, and Br2 raised to some power B. We don't know that. Okay. So we have already written the rate equation. And using the experiments and the given data, you can find the, you can relate this to this equation. You will be getting what? Yeah, rate is given, right? First experiment. So it is 10 to the power minus 3. That will be equal to K times 0.05, that is the concentration of NO raised to A, and 0.05, that is Br2 concentration raised to B. Okay. Then the second experiment, 3 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is equal to K times 0.05 raised to A, no change, 0.15 raised to B. Okay. Then third one, 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to K times 0.15 raised to E and 0.05 raised to B. So we have get three equations, right? What are the three equations here? Yeah, this is the first equation 1. This is equation 2. This is the equation 3. Okay. Now you have to find the order with respect to NO and BR2. Okay, so what you have to do that? So for that purpose, you have to find this A and B so that you will get what order with respect to NO and BR2. So what you have to do? You have given three equations here. So you have to compare the equations. Okay, so that you will be getting A and B. So how will you compare? You can compare this 1 and 2. So what you will get? You can, equation 1 is 10 to the power minus 3 and equation 2 is 3 times 10 to the power minus 3. So we are going to compare that taking the ratios. Okay, so K times, okay, 0.05 raised to A, 0.05 raised to B by, in this case, K times 0.05 raised to A, 0.15 raised to B. Okay, so this is the first two equation. We are taking the ratio that we'll be getting this cancelled and this cancelled. This is also cancelled. You will be getting as 10 raised to, oh sorry, that is already cancelled, right? Yeah. 1 by, you will be getting 1 divided by 3 is equal to 0.05 divided by 0.15 raised to B. Okay, 0.05 and 0.15 means what? 1 by 3 is equal to, what is that? It is again 1 by 3, right? 1 by 3 raised to B. That means what is the value of B? Yes, the value of B is equal to 1. Same, right? 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So that is same. So B will be equal to 1. So we get the value of B. So similarly, we have to compare the next equation. So we have to find A now, right? So where is A different? Into, yeah, in, yeah, you can compare it with what? 1 and 3. Okay, so we are going to compare it with 1 and 3. So what will we getting? Let us see that. 1, that is 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 9 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is equal to K times 0.05 raised to A into 0.05 raised to B, all divided by K into 0.15 raised to A and 0.05 raised to B. So you can cancel what all things B. Okay, so what you'll be getting? Finally, you will be getting 1 by 9 is equal to, yeah, 1 by 3. Same, 1 by 3 raised to A. So what will be this A? 1 by 3 square, right? So this will be equal to 2. So now you get the value of A. So you get the value of A and B. So what will you understand from this? With respect to NO, what is equation? Rate is equal to K times NO raised to 2 and BR2 raised to B. That means this is in the NO is second order. With respect to NO, order is 2. With respect to BR, order is 1. Order is 1. First order. Okay. Similar, simple question, but you have to work out it. Okay. Then only you will get the answer. Okay. These type of questions you have to practice 3-4 times. So you will get a complete idea. So you will be able to do the similar questions. Okay. Similar questions, sure questions. This type of questions will be sure from the chemical kinetics topic. Okay. Yes. Now moving to the B question. What is the B question? Calculate the rate constant K. So now you got A and B value, right? And you can find this K, rate constant K, by applying in any of these 1, 2, 3 equations. So I'm going to apply it in first equation itself. So we'll be getting rate 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to K times 0.15 raised to 2 times, sorry, 0.05 raised to 2 times 0.05 raised to 1. Okay, so what will we get? K is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 times 0.05 times 0.05 times 0.05, and 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125, right? So we'll be getting 10 to the power minus 3 times minus 3 divided by 0.000125. Okay, so you will get this. Then to remove this decimal place, what you have to do, you can take this 10 to the power minus 3 to the bottom side. So you'll be getting 1 divided by 0.125. Okay. Yes. So what you have to do, next step, you have to multiply it with 1000 by 1000. You will be getting what? 1000 by 125. That is 8. The value is 8. And since it is overall a third order reaction, 2 plus 1, right? 2 plus 1, it is a third order reaction. What is the formula for third order reaction? What is the rate constant equation? It is L square mole raised to minus 2 S inverse second inverse. Okay. Yes. That is the equation. That is a B question answer. Okay. Now moving to the C question. What is the C question? Determine the rate of the reaction when concentration of NO and Br2 are 0.4 and 0.2. So now you got this K value, right? So you can find the rate. Okay, rate is equal to K is equal to 8 times what is NO? Its concentration is given that 0.4 times 2, and Br2 is given that 0.2 times 1. So just the calculation, you will be getting the value as 2.56 times 10 to the power minus 1. It's a rate, so mole liter raised to minus 1. Okay, so that is the answer. So a little bit workout, right, is necessary for this type of question. So basically it is simple, but when you do it first time, you will feel, oh, this is a very big question and how can I do this, like that. But when you practice, it is very easy. Okay, yes, do practice and do it very well. Moving to the next question. Yes, the first order reaction as a rate constant is okay, is given rate constant 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, S inverse means first order, that is given in the question itself. How long? Long means you have to find the time, right? Question is very clear, right? You have to find the time. The reactant, 5 gram of this reactant. So that initial value of this reactant is equal to what? 5 gram, and reduced to 2.5 means final value is 2.5 gram. Okay, now what is the question? You have to find the time. What is the relation that is connecting rate constant and time? What is the relation? Yes, K is equal to 2.303 by time log R0 by R. Okay, yes. So here you have to find the T, right? So T is equal to, change the equation in terms of T, 2.303 by K log R0 is given, right? R0 is given at 5 divided by 2.5. Okay. Yes. Then what you have to do? T is equal to substitute all values. 2.303 by K is given in the question as 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 3. And what is the log value? Log 5 by 2.5, right? 5 by 2.5, right? What is that value? Yes, it's equal to 1 by zero point 0.5, right? Yes, 1 by zero point 0.5. How will you make it? You have to multiply with 10 and zero point 0.5 times 10. You will be getting 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. So the log value will be 2. Okay, log value 2 is given in the question, right? Yes, so the answer will be 2.303 by 1.25 times 10 to the power minus 3 times 0.3010. Okay, so you'll be getting calculation. After calculation, you'll be getting the time as 554.5 seconds. Okay, or you can write like 5.54 times 10 to the power 2 seconds. Okay, yes, that is the answer. Hope you get it. Okay, so you must know the equation for first order reaction, the rate constant equation, that is the equation connecting time, rate constant, and initial and final values. Okay, yes. Moving to the next question. Question is from what solutions topic. Okay, a 4% solution of urea. 4% solution means what? 4 gram. Okay, and this is the molar mass. 4 gram urea, that is the weight of urea, that is 4 gram. And molar mass of urea is also given. What is that? 60 gram per mole. Okay, and it is said to be isotonic. What do you mean by isotonic? Isotonic means solutions having same osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure. Okay, it is having same osmotic pressure, and it is given that the isotonic with whom? 5.2 percentage solution. So that means weight of that non-organic substance will be what? If weight is given that 5.2 gram, and you are asked to find its molar mass of organic substance, you have to find out. Okay, since it is an isotonic solution, what is clear? This same osmotic pressure means pi of urea will be equal to that pi of what? Organic substance, right? Organic substance. So what is equation connecting this? Weight and molar mass. Weight of urea by molar mass of urea is equal to weight of organic substance divided by molar mass of organic substance. Okay, so how will you get the molar mass of organic substance is equal to organic substance is equal to what? Just substitute, right? 5.2 times 60 by 4. Okay, so you will get the answer as 78 gram per mole. Okay, 60 by 4 is 15. 5.2 times 15 is equal to 78 gram per mole. That is the answer. So you must understand what is isotonic solutions, which is having same osmotic pressure. Solutions, that means pi 1 will be equal to pi 2. Okay, pi 1, if you take it as like this, pi 1 will be equal to pi 2. If it is there, this will be the equation. W of pi W1 by M1 is equal to W2 by M2, like that. Okay, moving to the next question. A rate of gaseous reaction triples. Okay, triples when the react temperature is increased. So this is a reaction. This is a question related to temperature and energy of activation energy. Directly you can write down this equation for equation relating rate constant. Log K2 by K1 is equal to activation energy EA by 2.303 or T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. Okay, this is the equation. What all things are given? You have to find EA. Okay, and it is given rate of the gaseous reaction triples. That means what? Log triples means initially it was K1. If we take initially K1, finally will be 3K1, right? So like this will be coming. Then EA, we have to find that. And it is given 2.303, our value is directly given 19.15. You can put it here. And T2 minus T1, 300 minus 290, that is 10 divided by 290 times 300. Okay. Then you can cancel this. You will be getting log 3. Log 3 value is given. So EA is equal to log 3 value, you can substitute here 0.48 times 19.15 times 290 times 300 whole divided by this 10. Okay, simple calculation, just multiplication. You'll be getting activation energy as 79970 joules per mole. Okay, this is the activation energy. So you must study the equation relating temperature and activation energy. Okay, sometimes you will be asked to find the temperature. Activation energy is very importantly asked in this. Okay, so you have to find other data will be given. Okay, moving to the next question. Calculate the EMF of the cell. Very simple question. How will you find the EMF? This is again a question from electrochemistry. EMF is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 divided by N log, in this case, log concentration of Zn2 plus by concentration of Sn2 plus. Okay. And how will you calculate E0 cell? E0 cell is equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. In this case, which is cathode and which is anode? This is, which is cathode? This is cathode, right? And this is anode. Okay. Yes. Now just substitute the values. E cell is equal to minus 0.14 minus of 0.76. Okay, this is E0 cell minus 0.059 by 2 electrons, right? Yeah. Log 0.1 by 0.001. Yes, now this value will get, this will minus will become plus, so that you will be getting the value as 0.62 plus value. Okay, minus 0.059 by 2. What is this value? Log 0.1 by 0.001. Just multiply with 1000. Okay. So you'll be getting what? You'll be getting 100 here divided by what? 1, right? Nothing here. So 100. Log 100 means what? Log 100 means 10 square, that is 2. 2 log 10. Log 10 is 1. So 2 log 10. So the value will be 2 here. So 2 cancel, you will be getting the value of 0.561 volt. 0.561 volt. Okay, so you must know these two equations, very important equation. E cell is equal to E0. This is Nernst equation. Okay, what is the name of this equation? Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RT. Okay, RT log here certain 2 plus and Sn2 certain 2 plus by Sn2. Now moving to the next question. So these questions, just revise it very well. Okay, hope you get everything. Okay, exams are nearby, just revise it again and again. Okay, study well. All the very best for exams. If you want new videos with the topic, you can mention the topics which you are needed in the comment box. Okay, so that I can do that. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.